Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your utility bill arrives every month. When was the last time anyone systematically checked it against your own production data? That question matters more than most teams realize, because billing errors rarely announce themselves. They just keep showing up until someone finally checks. Metering errors, curtailment credits, tariff band misapplications, and settlement calculation differences are all real and recurring. Most operators find them accidentally, years late, or not at all because reconciling production data against utility invoices by hand is not a realistic monthly habit. The problem is not that the discrepancies are rare. The problem is that they are easy to miss when invoice review is treated like a quick approval step instead of a real control process. And once that habit becomes normal, leakage becomes invisible. That is where ClearSpot agents change the workflow. They reconcile your SCADA production data against utility invoices on every billing cycle. They flag line items where measured output and billed units diverge beyond tolerance, and generate a discrepancy report that your finance team can take directly into a billing dispute. That means the review is no longer manual guesswork. It is structured, repeatable, and evidence-based. Instead of asking finance to hunt through line items one by one, the system identifies where the numbers do not agree and shows them where to look first. This matters because invoice errors are not just accounting issues. They are portfolio issues. If production is billed incorrectly, then your operating cost assumptions are wrong, your margins are wrong, your recovery claims may be wrong, and your management decisions are based on incomplete data. ClearSpot helps solve that by turning billing review into a controlled data process instead of a periodic fire drill. When the system checks every cycle, nothing depends on memory, luck, or someone having extra time at month end. On a 30 MW+ portfolio with multiple offtake agreements, even small persistent discrepancies compound to 5- or 6-figure annual impacts. A few units here, a tariff mismatch there, a curtailment credit missed on one invoice, a settlement calculation that doesn't line up on another. Individually, they look minor. Together, they become real money. ClearSpot agents find those automatically and consistently, so you stop relying on luck to catch billing errors. The real recovery is not just the disputed amount, it is the discipline of preventing the same leak from repeating. Manual checks fail at scale because they depend on time, attention, and consistency, 3 things that are always under pressure. If your team is already managing faults, reporting, production forecasts, and vendor coordination, invoice auditing becomes the first thing to slip. That is why billing discrepancies often survive for months. Not because they are impossible to find, because nobody has a system that makes finding them routine. ClearSpot changes that by making reconciliation part of the operating rhythm. Here is the workflow in plain language. First, ClearSpot ingests SCADA production data and utility invoice information for the billing period. Second, it compares measured output, billed units, and applicable tariff or settlement logic. Third, it flags any line items outside tolerance and produces a discrepancy report for review. Fourth, the finance team receives a ready-to-use output that can support an internal review or a formal billing dispute. That means the heavy lifting happens before the meeting, not during it. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.